Welcome back to Excel Magic. Today, I will show you two Excel tips that can save you a lot of time and make your work much easier. We will learn Flash Fill and the Quick Analysis tool. Both are simple, but very powerful. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using them today. Let's get started. Our first tip is Flash Fill. Flash Fill allows Excel to automatically fill values for you, based on a pattern you give it. Let's say you have a list of full names in column A. You want to split them into first names and last names. Step 1. Click in column B. Next to the first full name, type only the first name of that person. Step 2. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Excel will look at the first name you typed, detect the pattern, and fill the rest of the column for you instantly. You can do the same for last names. Type one example, press Ctrl+C, and Excel fills the rest. Flash Fill is not just for names. You can use it to separate dates, extract email usernames, combine words, or even reformat phone numbers. The key idea is you give Excel a single example, and it does the rest in seconds. This feature works best when your data follows a clear pattern. Our second tip is the Quick Analysis tool. This tool gives you a menu of useful options the moment you select your data. Step 1. Highlight or select your data range. When you do this, you will see a small icon appear at the bottom right of your selection. Step 2. Click on that icon. A menu will appear with 5 tabs: Formatting, Charts, Totals, Tables, and Sparklines. In the Formatting tab, you can quickly add conditional formatting to highlight the highest and lowest values, or create color scales to show patterns. In the Charts tab, you can instantly insert a column chart, line chart, or other chart types to visualize your data. In the Totals tab, you can quickly calculate the sum, average, count, or percentage without writing any formulas. In the Tables tab, you can convert your range into an Excel table, which makes sorting and filtering much easier. In the Sparklines tab, you can add small in-cell charts that show trends for each row. The Quick Analysis tool is like a shortcut menu that puts Excel's most useful features right at your fingertips. So, those are two Excel features that can make your work faster and easier. Use Flash Fill when you need to quickly reformat or split data. Use the Quick Analysis tool when you want to instantly summarize or visualize your information. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Excel Magic for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.